So last time, solve natin itong problem class using conjugate beam method, and we also applied superposition method. So this time, we will apply virtual work method. So we have a formula class in our virtual work method. Ang formula natin is the deflection is equal to the integral of dx over EI from 0 to L. So this symbol, this is the deflection at the point of interest. E is the modulus of elasticity. I is the moment of inertia of the beam. Big M, this is the bending moment due to the real loads. And we have a small m, this is the bending moment due to the vertical unit load applied at the point and direction of the deflection. So kung saan tayo class magkakalculate ng deflection, doon tayo maglalagay ng virtual unit load. And we have also the L, the symbol of L, that is the length of the beam. So first class is we will determine the big letter M. This is the bending moment equation. This is the bending moment equation of the real loads or the actual loads. So first, magkakat ako at this point. And from the free end, let's say this is variable x. So this similar class, almost similar sa double integration method. So magkakalculate lang tayo ng moment at sa the section kung saan tayo nag-cut considering the left section. So yung bending moment equation, let's say, ang designation natin is for upward that is positive and for downward that is negative. So our big M, kung mag-moment tayo sa cutting point, we have 5 kN force multiplied by distance x, that is 5x, minus, we have a 2 kN per meter multiplied by x, so that is 2x, and yung moment R niya is x over 2. So if we simplify this, we have 5x minus x squared. Now, saan naman natin class makukuha yung small m? So to calculate the small letter m, let's say this is the cantilever beam. Since magkukuha tayo ng deflection at the free end, dito tayo maglalagay ng virtual unit load. So in this case, nag-assume ako na yung deflection will going upward since we have a 5 kN force. Kaya naglagay din ako ng unit load na going upward. So from here, this is the distance x naman from the free end. So we have now the small m, letter m, that is the 1 kN unit load multiplied by moment arm, that is x. So we have letter x. So substitute these values to our formula. So we have now the deflection that is the integral of from 0 to 6. Since in this case, magkakaroon lang tayo ng isang segment. So isang integration lang yon. So we have big M, that is 5x minus x squared. Ang small m natin is x. So dx all over EI. So simplifying this, gawin natin from 0 to 6, this becomes 5x squared minus x cubed. We have dx all over EI. And if we integrate this, we have now 5x cubed all over 3 minus x raised to 4 all over 4. And yung limit natin from 0 to 6, that is 5 multiplied by 6 cubed all over 3. 6 raised to 4 all over 4. So this becomes 360 minus 324, and that is also the same just like the last time, that is also 36 kilonewton cubic meter all over EI. And if we substitute the values for E and I, we also get, that is the deflection also, 0.6 millimeters, and that is also going upward.